another body. They are more focused on objectifying humans than considering them as a whole. The medical science has divided humans into multiple pieces, with each piece treated by a specialist without worrying about what is happening with the other pieces. Yogic
Excuse me.
science, on the contrary, is a spiritual science of which health is a byproduct. Yogic science is all about connecting physical human body with divine consciousness. It is all about it deals with curative as well as preventive aspects, whereas medical science just deals with curative aspects. Our Maharishi Patanjali has said Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodhaka, which means yogic science is a science which teaches us how to control our mind so that it is not out of balance. WHO has defined health as not mere absence of disease. It is total well-being of a person at a physical, mental, spiritual, and social level. In this context, where is medical science? Medical science is just focused on treatment at physical level, which leads to various side effects and diseases. Our health as a total is all about balance, integration, and harmony. Any interference from the outside world in the form of chemicals disturbs this balance. Our Indian ancient science, Ayurveda, has advised triformula of health, which is ahar, food, vihar, physical movement, nidra, sleep, and relaxation. Hari Kare Bari has become salient features of our modern lifestyles. We neither we focus on good food nor we get good sleep. Then don't get me started about physical movement in this hustling culture and online world. We know what food is wrong, what food is right, but our main problem is our tongue, or rather our control on our mind. अब क्या करें? दिल है कि मानता है कि नहीं? The strength of yogic science lies in this. इस ना मानने वाले दिल को मनाने का काम योग करता है. If the root cause of the problem lies in the wrong lifestyle, don't you think we should focus on curing this or restoring this? In this case, yogic science plays an important role, whereas medical science just focuses on dumping chemicals and drugs and performing
अच्छा,
surgeries.
इसने कोवैक्सीन लिया है कि नहीं?
Our humans are divided into 5 physical layers called Panchakosh, namely Annamaya Kosh, which is physical body, Pranamaya Kosh, which is life energy, then Anumaya Kosh, which is mental or power mind, then we have Vijnanamaya Kosh, which is high level of conscience or Vivek Buddhi, and then we have Anandamaya Kosh, which is Samadhi or state of bliss. Yogic science focuses on all these 5 layers, whereas medical science focuses only on Annamaya Kosh, which is physical body. Yogic science deals with in an integrated approach, whereas medical science follows this integrated approach. See, most of the modern diseases is all about it is called as psychosomatic disorders, which means the disease first takes its shape in our mind and then reflects on our body and in the form of symptoms. Medical science, what it does, it suppresses the symptoms, and yogic science really works on healing. Yoga is a 5,000-year-old time-tested science. It does not need any proof. Recently, medical science has adopted yogic science to achieve mental health. Global acceptance of yoga, you are aware, when 177 countries has accepted to celebrate International Yoga Day. So, yogic science is a holistic science. It should be practiced and learned in a holistic view. During COVID, we were all suffering from stress, anxiety, and all the depression and all. We were forced to live in a secluded way. Medical science failed to address these issues, whereas people who were aware of the yogic practices, they were able to survive and navigate through these difficulties. So, it is important to follow the yogic science as in.
टाइम हो गया.
So, I would conclude